In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Whether you're managing projects, collecting data, or just organizing your work better, knowing how to create custom forms in Airtable is a super useful skill to have. So let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to begin by selecting the workspace where you want your new form to reside. Within Airtable, your workspace is essentially the main hub where all your bases and forms live, so make sure you're in the right place before proceeding. Once you're in the correct workspace, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface, where you'll see an option to create something new. Click on this, and you'll find various options. What we're interested in here is selecting the option for a form. This will set the stage for creating a brand new form specific to your needs. Next, you'll want to press on the option to create a form view. This is a critical step as it transitions you from the base interface into the form building environment. Upon entering, you'll be prompted to give your form a name. Choosing a descriptive name will help you and your team identify the form easily in the future. For today's session, let's call this form Example Form, but feel free to be as creative or specific as you need to be for your own purposes. With the name set, go ahead and click on Create New View. This action will officially establish your new form within Airtable. Congratulations, you're halfway there. Now comes the fun part where you can customize your form. Here, you have the freedom to add various fields to tailor your form to gather exactly the information you require. You can add fields for name entries, create areas for notes to capture additional information, assign tasks if needed, and specify an assignee to ensure accountability and follow-up. There's also an option to change the status, add attachments, and even include a summary of the attachments. All these fields allow you to capture detailed and structured data in a user-friendly manner. Once you have arranged and adjusted all these fields to your satisfaction, and trust me, you'll love how customizable this is, press on the Submit button. This simple action will finalize the creation of your form, making it ready for use. And that's all it takes, folks. With these straightforward steps, you've just created a form in Airtable. It's a powerful way to organize and streamline information gathering and sharing within your workspace. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.